Did you know that a simple sausage could spark a revolution? In 1522, Zurich became the epicenter of a surprising event known as the Affair of the Sausages. This culinary rebellion began during Lent, a time when eating meat was strictly forbidden. Ulrich Zwingli, a Swiss pastor, and his friends decided to challenge this prohibition. They gathered in Christoph Froschauer's print shop and openly consumed sausages, defying the established customs of the time. This seemingly trivial act was a bold statement against imposed dietary restrictions and a push for personal freedom. Zwingli defended the event, arguing that the Bible didn't mandate such restrictions, leading to a heated debate about authority and tradition. The Affair of the Sausages ignited a series of events that contributed to the Reformation in Switzerland, a movement that forever changed the religious landscape. This moment of defiance highlighted the power of individual choice and questioned long-held practices. So next time you enjoy a sausage, remember, it once played a part in a rebellion that shaped history. Dive into this fascinating tale of culinary rebellion and discover how a simple meal challenged centuries-old norms and sparked a significant transformation in Zurich's history.